Meet Jenny. She's the busy owner of a small bakery on Main Street. Jenny multitasks like a ninja, planning menus, taking inventory, ordering food, hiring staff, running payroll, planning promotions, catering events, and pleasing her customers and the food critics. Meet Rick. He's a man moving fast up the corporate ladder, managing a marketing team, developing a sales team, reporting to the top guys, and moving and shaking for his company. What do Jenny and Rick have in common? They do not have time to log into 32 different social media accounts, create and schedule gobs of emails to unique target lists, send text campaigns, monitor their digital marketing campaign effectiveness. How do you even read those reports anyway? Or determine and prove return on investment. But both Jenny and Rick are smart enough to understand that to compete in today's marketplace and to lead in their industries, they have to embrace digital media. Today's marketing is digital, complex, and well, an entire industry of its own. Jenny and Rick are a little freaked out, overwhelmed to say the least. Where do they start? Jenny and Rick need Zap. With Zap on their side, Rick and Jenny can manage, control, organize, schedule, monitor, listen, connect, engage, measure, improve. Email, text, blog, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google+, YouTube, and about 40 other social media platforms. Whether Jenny and Rick want to do it themselves using a self-managed option, or whether they choose to do what they do best and leave the zapping to the pros using a fully managed plan, there are lots of price points and service packages to choose from. One of them will be right for Jenny, one will be right for Rick, and one will zap your business ahead of the competition. Try Zap risk-free at www.zapmediagroup.com or call a professional Zapster at 877-404-1989.